Hi, my name is Hawk. In this video, we are going to take a look at the quadra-rate intercomponent cabling. I shall be using a quadra-rate system with 1 NU and 6 CU as an example, as you can see on your screen. So, let's start by identifying all the components. So, in the beginning, we have the MBBU, a EPO switch, a RA, a NU, and the 6CU. Let's take a closer look. Let's start with the MBBU. So the first port for the MBBU, that is your AC power port that is connected to your normal AC supply. The next one is a NU power, that is a DC power connected to the NU. We are going to take a more detailed look at it. The next port is a LAN NU port that is connected to your NU. We are going to take a more detailed look later on. The fourth one is actually the remote annunciator port. Again, this is a LAN port connected to your remote annunciator. The fifth port is a EPO switch port that will be connected to your EPO switch. The next port is a NU alarm port. This is a 24-pin port that will be connected to your fire alarm. You can connect it in two ways, from the MBBU or from the remote annunciator using the 24-pin cables that we supply. The next one we are going to take a look is the NU network unit. Each network unit has two donor ports, a LMR and a cell. This is actually your FirstNet port. So each donor port will be connected to their respective donor antenna. And we have the CU output port. The CU output port is connected to its own dedicated horizontal infrastructure. Lastly, all the CU are connected to the NU through its LAN cable. We are going to take a detailed look. So if you can take a look over here, right, we have a NU and a CU. The CU is connected to the NU through this LAN cable. So over here, I'm using a CU1 port to connect. If you have more than one CU, you have to connect to CU2 or 3, 4, 5, or 6. And in the NU, we have a LAN port that we mentioned previously to connect to the MBBU. And then over here, we have a power port, again, that is connected to the MBBU.